Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of Euro USD for Monday. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. So my dear friends, after the news, we got to see a big drop on the chart of Euro USD, and this candle has changed many things. Ultimately, the pair closed at 1.0891. So let's discuss one by one. First of all, dollar sees support as euro falls on weak eurozone PMI reports. And if we look at the chart of DXY here, then we can see that as discussed yesterday, DXY broke the previous high here because fundamentally DXY is positive right now. Fundamentals are pushing DXY towards the upside because of the discussion about the upcoming interest rate hikes during this year. So as a result, there is a good chance that DXY will try to continue the upside. DXY closed at 102.86. We have immediate support on DXY around 102.80. Right after the market opening, if DXY takes support around this level and bounces, then obviously it will try to continue the upside. But in case DXY comes inside the range again, do not think that things have changed, okay, and DXY will be going down again. No, don't make the mistake. Okay, so if DXY comes down also, then there's a high chance that DXY will form a higher low and DXY will try to continue the upside, because no market goes up in a straight line, no market goes down in a straight line. So I think that DXY will form a higher low and will try to continue the upside because fundamentals are pushing right now. Now let's look at the chart of euro dollar. So euro USD was also in uptrend, there was no doubt about it, but here you can see that it formed a big red candle. If we look at the structure of the market, okay, what was the structure of the market? It was a beautiful uptrend market. Market was forming higher highs, higher lows. But here you can see that market broke the previous low here. Okay, market broke the previous low. So this may be an indication that Euro USD is going for a trend reversal. And if we look at the higher time frame, let's go to the daily time frame, then we can see that all this action is going on in the middle of the chart. Overall, Euro USD is still inside an upward channel only. This is a daily time frame, and you can see that Euro USD is inside an upward channel only, and right now market is standing on the middle of the chart. So if you're a swing trader, if you're a positional trader, then obviously you'll have to wait for the market to either hit this level or hit this level. Okay, because if Euro USD reverses from the line at the top, you can go for a sell. If Euro USD reverses from the line at the bottom, you can go for a buy if you're a swing trader or positional trader. But if you're a day trader, then obviously things will be a little bit critical for you and you need to observe many other things. So let's find out. So right now we are in the 4 hours time frame here. So the market opening on Euro USD or for Euro USD will be very important, because as I said that overall if we look at the trend of Euro USD, then it was towards the upside, there was no doubt about it. But Euro USD broke the previous low here, so which is not a very good sign. Okay, so the market opening will be very important here, because we can see that Euro USD face some selling pressure or face some resistance around the previous support here. Previous support is acting as resistance right now, and around the same area we also have the 50 moving average. The 50 moving average was also the previous support and right now working as resistance. So both the previous supports are working as resistance right now for Euro USD. So Euro USD must be very angry, isn't it? So Euro USD, okay, if tries to go up, listen to me carefully, okay, things will be a little bit complicated. If Euro USD tries to go up also, observe the market around 1.0915. If the volatility of the market is low, because we don't get to see much action during the first half of Monday, and market tries to move by the US session, okay, if Euro USD tries to go up, shows 1 or 2 green candles right after the market opening, then it will have to cross this level. If Euro USD fails, if you see the dollar is going up again, Euro USD is struggling, then there's a chance that Euro USD will reverse from here, and we can look for a sell around this area, 1.0915. This is the first level, okay. But as trading right after the market opening is not a very good thing to do, so if you're a beginner, you can avoid also, okay, and wait for the market to hit the other two levels, because we also have other levels around 1.0948 to 50 to 1.0930. These are the two resistances from where we can expect Euro USD to face some selling pressure. Because if Euro USD really, if Euro USD really under the dominance of sellers right now, if there is a trend reversal coming, okay, then Euro USD will be reversing from these levels only. Okay, Euro USD will not be able to continue the upside, and Euro USD, if really wants to continue the uptrend it was in, then it will have to cross the previous high of 1.1010. If it crosses 1.1010, then only it will be a confirmation that buyers are back in the game again and market is really in uptrend. But if you see the market is struggling around the resistance level of 1.0950, 1.0930, then it's a sign of caution that a trend reversal is coming up. So on Monday, if Euro USD struggles around this area and reverses, you can also look for a sell position as well around these areas, around these levels. Okay, so the market opening will be very, very important, because we need a confirmation right now whether we are having a trend reversal on Euro USD or Euro USD really wants to continue the uptrend. Okay, so this is a trading opportunity, or these are the levels where we can look for some selling pressure around Euro USD on Monday. On the other hand, if market shows a downside, okay, if you see the market is going down right after the market opening, then observe the market around 1.0850 to 1.0845, this level here. Why this level here? Because see, when market came down, this is the level from where market bounced, and as I already said, and probably you know it, that market is not very volatile during the first half of Monday. So if Euro USD shows some selling pressure also, we can expect the buyers present around this area, okay, will not let Euro USD to fall that easily, because to break this level, volume is required, volatility is required. Okay, if there's not much volume in the market, then obviously Euro USD will be bouncing from here. Volatility will decide what will happen, but there's a high chance that, especially during the first half, that if Euro USD shows a downside also, market will try to bounce from here. At least we can expect a quick bounce and we can try to make some quick money. And the ultimate support for day traders, okay, intraday traders or day traders on Euro USD is around 1.0820 to 1.0800. This is the ultimate support on the chart of Euro USD, because we have two moving averages around this area. So these are the levels on the chart of Euro USD, and these are the trading opportunities on the chart of Euro USD. Okay, so because of this big drop on Euro USD and change of market structure here, so things are a little bit complicated on Euro USD, so be careful. If you have any other better opportunities on the chart on GBP USD or any other pair, you can go for it right away. So let's look at chart prime now, and these are the signals generated by the chart prime in the last week, and we can see that more or less all the buy and sell signals have done a pretty good job. Minimum we got 30 to 40 pips from each and every signals. Yes, when there was a sudden news in the market, the oscillator did not work nicely, but otherwise under normal circumstances you can expect a pretty decent performance from the chart prime indicators. And if you follow proper risk management, then obviously you can really upscale your game completely. Those who already have chart prime, then obviously I believe that you are doing a pretty well job. On Monday, what you can do is try to follow the trend of the market first. Okay, try to follow the trend of the market first. If there is a sudden trend reversal on the chart, then try to look at the oscillator, because the oscillator will be very helpful for you along with the buy and sell signals here. So your eyes should be on the oscillator. When you'll see that oscillator is giving you a sell sign like this, you can go for a sell position. Instead of sell sign, if you also get a divergence like this, okay, then also you can go ahead with a sell position. But if the trend of the market is towards the downside, try to follow the trend of the market. Okay, see, use your own analysis along with chart prime, then really you will be able to achieve much better results. So if the trend of the market changes by next week, then try to use the oscillator to find out the sell positions, and in case the market continues the upside, then use the oscillator to find out the buy positions. Here you can see that almost all the buy positions on the chart of EURUSD did a pretty well job. Why? Because the trend of the market was towards the upside. And those who are wondering what is chart prime, then chart prime is an awesome indicator, custom indicator rocking the trading world right now. This is the website, and they have 3 powerful indicators: Market Oracle Pro, Market Dynamics Pro, and Prime Oscillator Pro. Go to their website and you can go to the tutorial section to find out various strategies that you can use on any chart of the world. And to know about the indicators, you can also check out their tutorials section here. Whether you're looking for buy or sell signals or you want to improve your analysis, doesn't matter. Use chart prime, you will amaze to see the results. Right now the company is giving a 30% off. You can scan the QR code on the screen, or you can also check out the link in the description. Try out chart prime for at least 1 month and just rock the game.